guests, please allow me to introduce you some helpful information about our journey aboard the Freccia Rossa. Passengers booked the executive class will find the reserved seats in coach number 1. Passengers booked the business class will find the reserved seats place in coach number 2. In both coaches, ladies and gentlemen, you will enjoy an exclusive personal service at your seat. In coach number 3, you will find our dining car, where you can enjoy delicious food and beverages from our menu. We're looking forward, ladies and gentlemen, to see you there. Premium class passengers